I'm excited to show you kind of what we're going to be talking about this week, which is monochrome bases, top and bottom same color. So I went through and picked out what I thought were some great fabrics for top and bottom different color. Tomorrow night I'm going to show you how to make different tops for those bases. So this is just going to be fun. Now, I picked out some viscose and some cotton, some just really beautiful fabrics that would make great bases, and these are all $17.99 today. So this viscose is just super high quality. It's just lovely. It's got stretch in both directions. You can see that if you made like a little jumpsuit or tank and bottom, you could really see that working, and again, those accent pieces would be lovely. So that's the first one. The second one is a cotton. Again, we see these florals being just really common. They're beautiful. Top and bottom the same. Think about that. This is 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions. It's a little more one way than the other way, so I think I put a one-way stretch on this. But this is a great black base. If you need a new black base, this is cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions, but the drape on this is incredible. It's just really beautiful. A pair of yoga pants, tank top, sweater set, any of those would work really well. I put this in because I felt like it was such a beautiful base, and it has the pinks in it. And so again, with a little pink jacket, it would just be stunning to do this. This is a woven though. It's 100% viscose, and it's a woven. Again, $17.99, you guys. I just love these prices. This is a knit. Beautiful, isn't this? Linear, but that doesn't have to be matched. So again, top and bottom, yoga pant, sweater set. This would just be dynamo. It just looks so good looking by itself, or then with a little pink accent. Just so many options here. Stretching, really just stretch in one direction on this, but it's 100% viscose. This is 100% cotton. I love this camo look. This is a cotton, so the backing is, kind of like almost like a terry. It's not, but it kind of feels like that. Very soft. It has some texture to it. Stretch in one direction. And again, think top and bottom the same with your accent pieces. All right, that's the goal. And again, gosh, $17.99. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.